This is the start of the interior restoration on my 1992 Mazda Miata. Today I'm recovering my seats from this to this. Here are the new seat covers. They were $130 on Amazon, but they were definitely worth it. Now I have to take out the seats and take them apart. The first step was to take off the seat rails. These are two 12mm bolts at the bottom, and you have to slide them back and forth to get them off. To get the seat in two, you have to take off four 14mm bolts, and these are two of the bolt holes right here. Next, you'll clip these hog rings and you'll peel back the original fabric. These hog rings were super hard to get out, so just take your time and try not to break much. Instead of using hog ties again, I used zip ties because they work fine. No, but they're way easier to put on and they look about the same. Once you zip tie or hog tie all the points down, you can start putting the seat back together the way you took it apart. And this is how the seat came out.